I told you that I was not going to do a large language model bigger than 32 billion parameters. Well, I didn't. I actually just chose a different 32 billion parameter model by Openthinker. And just to get it to fit into less than 5 minutes, I had to compress it down by 20x. I was absolutely amazed at how long it took to get a good response out of it. Great response, actually. I'm not going to lie. It's a distillation of DeepSeek, so I expected that it might perform a little bit faster. Boy, was I wrong. Took an hour and 20 plus minutes. I actually took video on my mobile phone as it was getting to the end of deliberation and finally creating an output. Crazy. Don't do this at home. Please save yourself the time. I've already done the work for you. For consistency on these model demonstrations, I use the same prompt. Tell me a story about a cherry growing. I figured it'd be easy to compare as far as the time involved in pre-processing, the deliberation or thinking, and then ultimately the output, which is the structured response. I wanted to thank you for watching this demo, and I really do want your comments and feedback in order to help improve the series of demonstrations that I do with large language models. Ultimately, without the feedback, I don't know what I'm doing well, and I don't know what I need to improve. Again, I appreciate your time, and enjoy the rest of your day. Hey, it's Tim. I wanted to give you a demonstration of running large language models locally and just to show the power of what it might be like if you tried to run them yourself. Now, I'm going to give you a bit of a disclaimer because running large language models for generative AI is not something that every device can do. I say that mainly for the purposes of looking at laptops and certainly desktops. It's all dependent upon the age of your hardware and the overall performance, driven by a number of different things, including the processor, the memory, and the graphics processor, which is a familiar thing for gamers. So for us who are experimenting with the technology, CPU, GPU, RAM, very critical. They can enable a great experience, or they can make the experience kind of meh. So I'm going to walk you through a little bit of what I've done, and I hope you enjoy the clip.